Hey guys, Moshe is here inside the Tesla, and today we're going to talk about the Tesla Model 3 climate control and functionality. So just like the Nissan Leaf, the climate control is independent from the main battery, and therefore the car heats up and cools off very quickly. You can do it on the actual board, or you can do it from your app. So before we going into the actual temperature area, on the screen itself you have certain things that you can do. Here's, for example, the seat warmer. You can just press it once for maximum, press it once more for 2, for 1, and then to turn it off. Also the passenger can do the same thing, full, 2, 1, and off. It will give you the temperature here. It will give you the temperature here, and that is the you can actually raise and lower by a touch. Let me show you. You can go like this, or you can go like this, okay, or you can go like this. Really tap on this arrow. So you have the seat warmer for both passenger and for the driver, and you have the temperature itself. You have right here the front defroster, and you have the rear defroster. Okay, once you want to do more things, you can go here to this symbol right here, to the climate symbol, and right here you have the AC button. You can turn it off if you just want heat. You can manipulate with your finger the direction of the driver and the direction of the passenger. Okay, right here you have the speed. You can go up or you can go down. I like to take it to 2. I don't like it too much. All right, you can do that this way. So like I said, here you have AC. This is, you have this inner circle, so the air will circle from inside, so you don't smell the fumes from outside. Here you have for the this direction, for the driver's direction, I mean for the passenger direction. Here you have air flowing straight up. Look what happened when I press here and press here off. The air is now going upward. Okay, you can do it both. You can go both direction, and here's for your feet. So you can do all at the same time, but obviously you want to have one at a time. It doesn't matter. What's interesting here is that you have this function here, and it gives you control of all the seats in all the car. Okay, you can warm up all the seats in all the seats in the car. Obviously the passenger can do that, but the people in the back do not have any control, so you control it for them. Okay, and you can do that from your driver's seat. So you have this button and this button. So now, having said all of this, it's very nice. It's very controlling. It's beautiful. It's functioning well. Now think about doing all of this while you are driving. While you are driving, now that's a different story. That is a different story. Once you set up the climate when you are parked, it's all good and well. But you get hot, you get cold, you want to raise, you want to reduce. What do you do with your right hand? Forget the right hand, but also you have to look at it. Okay, there are no buttons on the wheel or other ways. So you have to look at it. Okay, so that is when it becomes very uncomfortable and borderline dangerous. Now, if you have a passenger next to you, that's great. You can have them press any button you want, raise and low. It doesn't matter. But if you're by yourself, it's a problem. So I think the best solution for this, and hopefully Tesla, if you're listening, hopefully you can do it in the future, and that will be to have voice command. Okay, there is voice command for everything, right? Here's the voice command right here. So why can't I say set temperature to 75 degrees? Okay, will it happen? Maybe. No, you can't do that because it's not functionable. Okay, You know what I mean? So this should be, the voice command should do all of these things. You know, it's not that difficult. You should say, warm up the passenger seats, or the driver seats, or the back seats. So you don't have to play with this while you are driving. Okay? Because that could be dangerous. Let me know, if you are a Tesla Model 3 driver, let me know your experience with managing the climate control while you're driving. I'm interested in that. All right, guys, question in the bottom. Thank you, everybody. See you tomorrow.